Yo tech lovers, ready to ride the future? We're diving into wood construction technologies that have reached a new level, where ancient material meets cutting-edge innovation. Stronger, faster, greener, and smarter than ever before. So don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future's in your card. Right? Fondation Kit is like the Swiss Army knife of construction, turning complex tasks into simple, practical solutions. This innovative kit is designed to provide a fast, solid, and reliable foundation for wooden structures. Using sturdy metal components that are driven directly into the ground, it creates a stable base without the need for heavy machinery or messy concrete work. One of its biggest advantages is its adaptability. The system can compensate for elevation differences of up to 25 centimeters, making it perfect for uneven terrain. Whether you're building a deck, a gazebo, or even a small house up to 40 square meters, this kit offers a strong and durable base. Installation is remarkably simple, requiring minimal tools and effort. The Fondation Kit can be set up on grass, bare soil, or a thin layer of gravel, giving you the freedom to start building almost anywhere. For quick, cost-effective, and mess-free construction, this DMK system is redefining the way wooden homes are built, combining precision engineering with modern efficiency. Often described as accurate as a Swiss watch, the DMK system ensures that homes are not only designed with meticulous detail, but also assembled at remarkable speed. What makes it stand out is its versatility. It is suitable for both private residences and multi-unit buildings, offering flexibility for different construction needs. The system is more than just a construction kit. Its creators have developed a comprehensive approach that covers design, production, assembly, and even specialized training for workers. Every component is manufactured in a climate-controlled, highly automated factory, ensuring accuracy, durability, and consistent quality. This reduces the chance of human error and guarantees that each structure fits together seamlessly. When wood and advanced technology come together through the DMK system, the results go beyond expectations. It represents a new era of construction where sustainability, speed, and reliability are perfectly balanced. For anyone looking to build with confidence, the DMK system delivers a smarter, faster, and more precise solution for modern wooden architecture. DERIX timber module is redefining the future of architecture by blending traditional wood with modern technology. This innovative system enables the construction of multi-story buildings at an astonishing speed without the usual noise, mud, or delays. One of its greatest advantages is that nearly 60% of the assembly is completed in the factory, ensuring accuracy, precision, and reduced waste. When delivered to the site, the modules only need to be fitted together, which allows entire buildings to be completed up to 4 months faster than traditional construction methods. Flexibility is another key strength of DERIX timber module. Every module is made to order, meaning architects and designers can experiment with creative, non-standard floor plans. Despite its speed, the system does not compromise individuality or quality. Most importantly, it uses wood, a renewable and eco-friendly resource. With sustainability, efficiency, and design freedom combined, DERIX timber module is truly shaping the future of urban housing. Cedar Roofing Company is a trusted name in the roofing industry, known for its expertise in handling a wide variety of roofing materials. Their team of specialists works with metal, bitumen, and other popular solutions, but what sets them apart is their craftsmanship with natural wood. In particular, the company is renowned for installing high-quality cedar shingles, a material that has stood the test of time for both performance and beauty. Cedar shingles are lightweight, yet impressively strong. They can withstand harsh winds, resist heavy impacts, and naturally provide excellent insulation. Homes roofed with cedar stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing energy use and making interiors more comfortable year-round. For those seeking extra durability, Cedar Roofing Company also offers treated shingles, improving resistance to moss, moisture, and even fire. This ensures a longer lifespan and minimal maintenance, making cedar not just a stylish choice, but a practical one too. What truly makes cedar roofing special, however, is its beauty. A roof covered in cedar shingles has a timeless charm, almost like it belongs in an old illustrated storybook. The natural texture and warm tones of the wood bring elegance and character to any home. It feels as if each shingle carries the wisdom of the forest, adding a sense of history and authenticity that manufactured materials simply cannot replicate. With Cedar Roofing Company, homeowners don't just get a roof, they gain a lasting piece of craftsmanship that blends strength, efficiency, and classic style. Grad Cladding is an innovative system created to make building terraces faster, simpler, and much more convenient. At the heart of this solution is a set of patented clips that completely change the way decking is installed. These clips allow decking boards to be removed just as easily as sliding a book off a shelf. With the help of a special tool, you can detach or replace boards within minutes. This feature is extremely useful if something small like a phone, credit card, or flash drive slips through the gaps, or if you ever need quick access to utilities hidden beneath the decking. Another standout element of the Grad system is its advanced rail design. These rails can be adjusted smoothly to adapt to uneven ground, with an extension range from 3.5 centimeters up to 35 centimeters. This makes installation more flexible and reliable, even on challenging surfaces. Overall, Grad Cladding is a well-thought-out system built with every possible scenario in mind. It combines ease of use, smart engineering, and durability, making it the perfect Shou Sugi bond. Is an ancient Japanese wood preservation technique that transforms ordinary timber into a material of striking beauty and long-lasting durability, using nothing but fire. Also known as yakisugi, this process involves carefully charring the wood surface, which not only enhances its appearance but also strengthens its natural resistance. Once burned, the wood develops a deep, textured finish that can last up to 80 years, making it both sustainable and timeless. The benefits go far beyond aesthetics. Through controlled charring, the wood becomes highly resistant to moisture, insects, and decay, making it ideal for exterior cladding, siding, and even artistic interior design. Traditionally, planks were charred over an open flame, but modern methods often use gas torches or kilns where temperatures reach up to 1,000 degrees Celsius. After about 10 minutes of burning, the boards are brushed, cooled, and washed, revealing their unique character. The result is wood that is as practical as it is breathtaking, fire-tempered, durable, and a perfect harmony of Knauf Heraklith is a modern construction solution that combines strength, insulation, and sustainability in one product. These panels, also called Heraklith boards, are made from natural wood wool, with shavings reaching up to ½ a meter in length, bound tightly with a cement-based binder. The result is a durable, high-performance material trusted in many areas of construction. One of the standout features of Knauf Heraklith panels is their excellent thermal insulation. They help regulate indoor temperature, making homes warmer in winter and cooler in summer, while reducing energy consumption. At the same time, they offer outstanding vapor permeability, which allows buildings to breathe naturally and prevents moisture buildup. Unlike many traditional materials, Heraklith is immune to mold, and insects or rodents show no interest in it, ensuring long-lasting performance without extra maintenance. These versatile panels can be used in walls, floors, ceilings, and partitions, as well as between or under roof rafters. Wherever they are installed, they add both comfort and durability. By enhancing acoustic performance and improving energy efficiency, they create healthier and more comfortable living and working environments. Beyond practicality, Knauf Heraklith also supports sustainable building practices. Made from renewable wood fibers and designed for long service life, these panels reduce the environmental footprint while delivering reliable results. With their strength, versatility, and eco-friendly nature, Knauf Heraklith panels are more than just insulation. They are a smart investment in the future of modern, energy-efficient construction. Western Wood Structures lives by its motto, working wonders with wood, and they prove it with every project. A perfect example is the breathtaking bridge they built in the small American town of Haley, Idaho. This wooden masterpiece stretches 49 meters across the Big Wood River, connecting walking paths and making it easier for people to enjoy the area's beautiful nature reserves. What's even more impressive is the speed. Construction and installation were completed in just 3 weeks. The process was smart and efficient. 2 large sections of the bridge were assembled separately on each side of the river and then carefully joined together. The result is not just a functional structure, but a striking symbol of craftsmanship and heritage. One of its most unique aspects is the bow-like design, inspired by the rich Native American history of the region. Strong, elegant, and meaningful, the bridge shows how wood can blend modern engineering with timeless. AGEPAN TE is a modern fiberboard designed to provide high-quality insulation with versatile applications in construction. It is particularly effective for dry screed work, where its durable structure ensures stability and long-lasting performance. These boards can also be installed under parquet, laminate, or tile, making them a practical choice for flooring systems in both residential and commercial buildings. One of the standout features of AGEPAN TE is its tongue and groove system, which allows for quick, seamless, and precise installation. Each board measures 190 by 50 centimeters, offering wide coverage, yet they can be easily trimmed on site to fit specific dimensions. This makes handling and installation possible even by a single worker without excessive effort. Beyond thermal performance, AGEPAN TE excels in sound insulation. In fact, it has been shown to reduce noise levels by up to 50 decibels, creating a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. What makes these boards even more impressive is their adaptability. They can serve as a temporary roofing solution, remaining effective for up to 8 weeks when needed. With durability, insulation efficiency, and multifunctional use, AGEPAN TE stands out as a smart, eco-friendly solution in modern building design. BFH CLT is an innovative step forward in timber construction, backed by Swiss researchers who are dedicated to improving building safety and sustainability. CLT, or cross-laminated timber, is created by stacking multiple layers of wood at right angles to each other, forming a material that is both strong and versatile. To evaluate its potential, researchers conducted a series of structural tests, particularly focusing on earthquake resistance. The results were remarkable. CLT walls significantly enhance a building's stiffness while maintaining a level of flexibility that traditional frame structures lack. Instead of collapsing during seismic activity, CLT buildings are designed to sway, but with far less movement than log or frame houses. This balance of strength and flexibility makes CLT an ideal choice for earthquake-prone regions. Beyond safety, CLT also brings economic and environmental advantages. It offers developers a cost-effective solution without compromising resilience. Being a renewable resource, timber construction reduces the carbon footprint compared to conventional materials like concrete or steel. In essence, BFH CLT is more than just a construction material. It represents the future of safer, smarter, and more sustainable building practices. Strong, adaptable, and eco-friendly, it sets new standards for modern architecture. Wood brick is revolutionizing the way homes are built, offering a system that combines simplicity, sustainability, and style. Imagine constructing a house like assembling Legos. No glue, no heavy machinery, and no environmental harm. That's exactly what the wood brick system makes possible. Its foundation is based on wooden bricks that are intuitive, lightweight, and highly efficient, making construction faster, easier, and more eco-friendly. Unlike traditional construction, there's no need for a massive foundation. An insulated, reinforced concrete slab is enough to support the structure. The lightweight nature of these bricks reduces transportation costs and makes handling at the site much more convenient. Their tongue and groove system ensures a tight fit, while fastening is done using a pneumatic nail gun, completely eliminating the use of glue or toxic adhesives. What truly sets wood brick apart is its resistance to common timber issues. These bricks don't warp, crack, or shrink, and builders don't have to wait for the structure to settle. This allows projects to be completed efficiently without compromising quality. From small saunas and cozy cabins to large, luxurious private homes, wood brick adapts seamlessly to different architectural needs. Beyond practicality, wood brick buildings exude warmth and character. Their proportions and finishes create a sense of harmony with nature, blending modern construction with timeless charm. This innovative material not only transforms the building process, but also fulfills the dream of eco-conscious living, where strength, efficiency, and beauty all come together naturally. Would you like me to make this more promotional and catchy for YouTube narration, or keep it professional and descriptive?